Turmeric, the golden spice of health. Turmeric is used for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. Turmeric is packed with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Why is turmeric so powerful? Turmeric's power comes from its most active compound called curcumin. It fights chronic inflammation, improves digestion, and supports immunity. However, to get the most out of turmeric, you need to combine it with black pepper, which enhances its absorption by 2000%. But how can you incorporate it into your daily routine for maximum health benefits? Stay with us as we explore simple and effective home remedies using turmeric. 1. Turmeric golden milk. Best for immunity and sleep. Golden milk, or turmeric latte, is a traditional Ayurvedic remedy for boosting immunity, improving digestion, and promoting restful sleep. Simply heat a cup of milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Drink this before bedtime for maximum benefits. 2. Turmeric and honey paste. Did you know that turmeric has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties? It is called as the natural antibiotic. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of raw honey to create a natural antibiotic paste. Take a spoonful when you feel a sore throat coming on. 3. Turmeric face mask. For a natural glow, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with warm water. This helps fight acne, reduce dark spots, and brighten your skin. 4. Turmeric detox water. Start your morning with a simple turmeric detox water. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of warm water, squeeze in half a lemon, and add a pinch of black pepper. This drink helps flush out toxins, improve digestion, and support weight loss. 5. Turmeric and coconut oil. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory benefits can also be used externally for pain relief. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with coconut oil to form a paste. Apply it to sore joints or muscle pain for natural relief. Just be careful, it can stain. 6. Turmeric gargle for sore throat. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of salt in warm water. Gargle for 30 seconds to reduce throat inflammation. 7. Turmeric scrub for dark spots. For a natural skin glow, mix turmeric with orange peel powder and rose water into a scrub. Gently exfoliate for brighter skin. 8. Turmeric tea for digestion. Boil 1 teaspoon of turmeric with ginger slices and hot water. Let it steep, then add honey. It soothes digestion and reduces bloating. 9. Turmeric mouth rinse for oral health. Mix turmeric, coconut oil, and a drop of clove oil. Swish in your mouth for fresh breath and gum health. 10. Turmeric bath for detox and relaxation. Add half a cup of turmeric to a warm bath with Epsom salt and lavender oil. It relaxes muscles and detoxifies the skin. There you have it. 10 simple and effective ways to incorporate turmeric into your home remedies. Consistency is key. Whether you're using turmeric in food, skincare, or home remedies, make it a daily habit to see long-term benefits. Turmeric is incredibly versatile, whether in food, drinks, or even skincare. Just remember, for the best benefits, always pair it with black pepper or a healthy fat like coconut oil or ghee. Whether you're boosting immunity, improving skin health, or easing joint pain, turmeric is a true superfood. Which remedy are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.